If you want to quickly align text in Adobe Photoshop, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you want your text aligned to the left, centered, or pushed to the right, Photoshop gives you easy controls right at the top of the screen. This is a small change, but it can make a huge difference in how clean and professional your design looks. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, select the Type tool, also known as the T tool, from your toolbar. You can usually find it on the left-hand side of the screen. Once you click it, you're ready to work with text in your document. If you already have text on your canvas, that's perfect. If not, you can always create a new text layer and type something in. Next, go over to the Layers panel and click on your text layer to highlight it. This step is important because Photoshop needs to know exactly which text you want to align. If you have multiple layers in your project, make sure you choose the correct one. When the text layer is selected, Photoshop will display the text options you need. Now look across the top of your screen at the options bar. This is where Photoshop places the most important settings for the tool you're using. Since you've selected the Type tool and your text layer is active, you'll see alignment controls right there in the top bar. Look for the 3 alignment icons near the color picker box. These icons let you choose how your text should line up. If you click Left Align Text, your text will align to the left edge. This is a great choice for clean, standard layouts and most document-style designs. If you click Center Text, Photoshop will center the text from the point you clicked, which works really well for titles, headings, and symmetrical designs. And if you click Right Align Text, your text will shift to the right edge, which can be useful for more custom layouts or stylistical compositions. Once you choose the alignment you want, Photoshop updates the text instantly. There's no need to press extra buttons or open complicated menus. Just select the option and your text will move into place. This makes it very easy to test different alignments until your design feels balanced. If you're working on a flyer, poster, social media graphic, or thumbnail, changing text alignment can help you create a much stronger visual layout. Centered text often feels bold and polished, while left-aligned text can feel more organized and easy to read. Right alignment can add a unique creative touch when used intentionally. And that's how to align text in Adobe Photoshop. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photoshop tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.